The 2026 edition of the World Cup is still underway. Unfortunately, Bafana Bafana have crashed out, but they crashed out not in the usual way, not in the normal style, but they crashed out this time for the very first time in the history of football in South Africa. They crashed out in the round of 32. They made history by being the very first crop of Bafana Bafana to qualify for the round of 32. Hello, hi, welcome. This is the Junior Kanye TV, and this episode is brought to you by World Sports Betting. Hashtag World Sports Betting. Hashtag Bet with the best. Now let us get into this and find out what happened yesterday or last night rather, and where did we get it right for us to qualify for the round of 16. On my left, I've got Junior Kanye. On my right, I've got Michael Nkambule. Gents, how are you doing? Ngiyaphila njani? Michael, how are you doing? All right. All right, Michael, when we last spoke just before Bafana Bafana played their last group game that actually qualified them to the round of 32. You were saying if Hugo Broos does the right thing, we are likely to qualify. Did he do the right thing? And that is why we qualified. Let me hear your thoughts on that last game and the things that contributed for us to qualify for the round of 32.
Into engayisho nenhlanhla ngebafana nenhlanhla ngishilo nalento ngathi ibafana like we have a strong squad inhlanhla like ibafana manje is not like akusafana kuqala whereby ukuthi besithi like is walk over like when we are playing against lama teams, but uHugo Broos usibonisile ukuthi like uyigwala inhlanhla against South Korea uzamile ukuthi abe offensive and kunto esincedile inhlanhla because as a country this way is strength sethu sikhona khona inhlanhla because we depend most nama ball players kakhulu, people who are likely ukuthi bathanda ukudlala kakhulu, but the coach yena it shows ukuthi kwezinye akabelieve kulento leyo, but ku South Korea njengoba bengishilo ukuthi singa qualify, but if makazosebenzisana more offensive players and then wayisebenzisa offensive players and then we qualify to manage ukuthi squalify until sizoya kule game le last 32.
No, sizoza ku game last 32. Let's, cause like we didn't really get to dig deep into the last game that took us there, right? Yeah. So, starting lineup sakhe, there was a bit of change when that starting lineup was concerned. It was with the absence of Umukwena, and people were actually worried. I think you were one of the people that said most of the games that we have were being centered around him, and it might be a challenge as to who will be replacing him and what will happen. His absence made the boys dig deep in their character and making sure that they push all the way. Thapelo Maseko missed multiple opportunities in that game, but eventually scored. And that is the only goal that really got us through to the round of 13.
I think nakhona kumkwena nayo ukuthi angadlali kule game like athole i-yellow card. I think nakhona kule kwaba it's a blessing in disguise because sele sabona uyaya without umkwena ukuthi like uyaya wele waba a different player compared to the first game ayidlalile azathole i-red card, yeah. But ubonisile uyaya ukuthi naye okay is a soldier uzamile ukufighta ukuthi abonise ukuthi naye is one of the best players ukuthi iya represent ibafana userepresente kahle kule game, but the problem it's one inhlanhla ukuthi after sidla iSouth Korea, but now you could see ukuthi ucoach akabelieve more in terms of offensive players inhlanhla. Mina yiwari kunayo about ibafana ukuthi like kule World Cup slalile, but we're not more offensive because ngisho lento before ilonto zisamba inhlanhla ukuthi uze na 11 defenders ikubonisa lento we only add 3 strikers. Yeah, ikubonisa lento ukuthi like angeke sihlale more firepower. Yeah, you only started doing ngale striker nini ku first game, but zonke le strikers dlalile but azanga prove ukuthi uyabelievela kibo labantu. The more into bekayifuna ukuthi like singaconsider kakhulu and which kwelo kwaba weak point ethu kakhulu leyo nhlanje.
Yeah, and okay, let me ask you, Junior, because they were no funu ngale game yazolo, so chachile, but I want us to actually like go deep into. I mean, look, there's positives that actually happened. You know what I mean? Like we cannot always be negative, like and like start blaming. But somehow things came together, and in things coming together, this gentleman on my right was the very first one to say, "Siabuya, we are not going through to the round of 32." And he was proven wrong. And the boys dug deep, looked for depth, looked for character, looked for mental strength, and tried by any means to make sure that we qualify for the round of 32. Did you eat humble pie after that game?
Yeah, Mhlanhla, well done to the work boss and his team, Bafana Bafana as a whole. He has been a bang on I hope, especially Bafana Bafana. Honestly speaking, abachita baqale bad ku first game yabo World Cup.
Sure.
And even going to the World Cup, then question nje squad selection sonke sabo. As Michael saying, 11 defenders, Jelan, right? Watching the guy, his coach personality, the belief, philosophy, identity, belief of personal players individual. He's a coach who believe with Meleng Vigekala. I'm going to defend. I rather score 1 goal in 10 games. I don't have a problem. I'm provide 10. Whether it's a knockout or point system, I'm no problem. But ngibe hope of amanye games, amanye ama opponent lose. You understand? Because honestly speaking, we're starting a World Cup disaster. I think we're so embarrassed. I mean, I will be honest. We've got so offensive players. Fucking Tapelo Masego. Una this guy Jaden Adams. Yes, those players. Coach first game, I think, is fire under pressure. But second game, well done to the coaching starting 11. They're starting also. Well done to defense against the South Korea. I mean, the game, I fully pay results. If football as a whole,
Yeah.
the defense well done to. Ronald Williams was funny the good game. Not much Korea. I think we matched Korea. We matched. Because now we're nothing special against them. With them, Bobby dangerous, but any chance. Whereby by spray cover pulley window on the right hand side. Ndi I think we wala near the center package. Mbogazi nokon lapanya ba play malimdiba. Balwisa le pole la another direction. And then Balwisa back as a square pass almost punished. And then lap goal if lang game change the complexion of the game. Good game on check it. We're relying on player. I think the boy stood up for us. Tapelo Masego, Simshani Zandla. For me, is a man of the match with the game. On the left hand side, not much of a police. A police for me is a player PSL, I will say it me. Good player, make no mistake, but who am I in life general? World Cup in Shahid. I'm not talking about South Korea, I'm not talking about Senkulmanji, even
his campaign.
Yeah,
Yeah.
good game. I don't think was tested. Weakest point age, no matter we need the South Korea, the guy is the weakest point age. Because the Antolia, he intercedes with lose the last game. I'm not gonna run to you last game, because the game is too. But I think that thing is fully there's a country because coach, you may not believe with the agent Kaya is so strong. Because we can't put to Jadid Adams outside, especially the chemistry that they have, no Debs. Does it make sense to me? In the game, Korea, I don't think it was tested for real. Maybe Korea, there was a guy number 8 Wabo, a very dangerous player in the middle field. Korea beyidlala ngama-wing back, overloading wing back. Banama-winger angathi, especially on the left hand side, the guy udlala ku-Wolves. Very speedy player, dangerous player, but umntu awudile naye kamnandi. And I think we're so organized with that game. Defense tactical was so organized. Evident it very well with that game for me. A real ball, our winner. Doving more from him. Tapelo Masego, as niche, how many chances he created. The player who only scored, the only player that scored. I check it was on the right hand side, that's all. And it's 7-sided on to the game, but the question with Intlantla. Manga Penanje overall, a performance to the game. Sengisho ngithi mawubheka igame yanamhlanje phela World Cup is not ifana ne-event akusiyigame today kuphela. Mawubheka mini warrior after winning that game bekuyi-continue. You understand? But kuleya game zomshayela izandla coach. His team defended very well. Mbokazi played the major role kule tournament yonke. Did very well. Akhona bengimthatha lo mfana. Very good player lela. I think yes kunamaplan lanyana but the boy mele ngimshayela izandla naye. And Mdiba started a bit shaky World Cup and I think as a tournament progress, I think it did very well, came to the party. But I'm not surprised. Opry, Mdao, they used to Champions League. Character, they've got strong character.
Yeah.
So well done to the coach and the team. Ngalia game we win. I think that was proven wrong. I will be honest. Ngalia game. Yes, South Korea.
Yeah. Because you said South Korea is too strong for South Africa, and we don't have what it takes to actually beat them. But like I said, the boys came in, they rose, they showed up, and they made sure that they qualify for the round of 32. Now, going into the game, a round of 32, your reaction to how the selection of the squad, mostly people, okay, I'm going to ask you a question and then we'll get into the game, right? Was it a good thing for Umukwena to start with the game, or he should have come on as a substitute? Let me start with you, Michael, before going into the game, because there's a lot of mixed reactions saying that at least sometimes I'm a player fan nabo Umukwena. Let him sit the first half, let him observe, let him read the game. But then we'll also talk about the coach's plan that you always question, the coach's reading of the game, and what led us to actually being eliminated in the round of 32. Was it necessary for Tebogo to start the game? Yes or no?
Nhlanhla leyo mina singakhohlisana about iplay lifana noTebza. When that player comes from suspension akusumuntu ongariskanga ukuthi angadlali. Yeah, mina into engayisho ukuthi mina according to mina,
Yeah.
I was gonna pay uTebza noMbatha because sibonile uTebza makadlala no Yaya. It's not the same Yaya, because we've seen ukuthi Uyaya makadlala noMbatha against iLontuza. We've seen the
Exactly.
different of Uyaya. You understand? For mina bengizomrest Uyaya, bengizothi Ayaya phumula ngicale ngo-talent kuleyo question.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, you can't put Tebogo Mokoena. He's the best player for you in current best player in Africa.
Yeah.
He scored the vital goal in the final. He's proved himself several times at Sundowns. High profile games. So, Betway Premiership, content of midfield of the season as well. Consistent for many years. So, currently, no matter suspended, we won. In the moment, we were looking at the results. Man, their game in Korea when they were not so wow. I am crazy. It's just that you wouldn't be going to expectation good to lose because we've been saying lose. So that's why I said I compliment especially Zandla. But when what they came was about the last 20 minutes this is the language. And then the coach Ombona keeper Nabo Masebo eliminate number 10. Now we start pack the pass. Galama three central midfielders. So I think we're clever in Nhlanhla. Utebza uyuko prosi pretend how we play. Unokufuna ukuthi siqale ibhola at the back because of Sundowns how they play. Some even the Pirates.
Okay.
So their system they funa umuntu very comfortable ngikhuluma nge defensive midfielders number 6. Ngoku link between defense and attack. Baphuma ngayo very comfortable, you understand? Now uTebza ngeke ume ngaphandle. Yabo based the legacy boy Segai building for himself. Based on the performance, uTebza ayileyile even the Champions League final and stuff, Betway Premiership, Champions League quarter final, semi-final, you can't. Noma ngabe yes, he was suspended. We won against Korea. Marmo ubheka le game, you needed to Tebza. Uyaya, you can't put Uyaya offer uTebza. Umbeka Uyaya, ubeka uTebza ngaphandle for.
Sure.
Lazy, Uyaya. That's for me. Slow. The awareness steps that is called Daganai. Fourth passes. In fact, coaching Kawile, I mean, yesterday, the Manitaga test one Korea was tested. Now, Tebza, even himself was not himself. If he had a bad game, it doesn't mean the American upon Yenzel to the petty player, bad game. So, Tebza, it was a good bad game. Okay, for me, not one of the best. I will say it was bad, Mara, not one of the best. Personal opponent is not usual for Tebza. Technically very good. Decision making, something else. Was my tight spaces, number 6, defensive is. Coach, in Tanzania, we used to Tebza up front. We thought we make 6 is all. Defensive midfield. To me, the being sense. Same mistake in Mexico in the game. We are Melana Lipola, Gubo Mbogazi, Gubo Mliba, Gubo Akon, you can't do that. But we remain. big make mistake enkulu. Honest got punished as well ngale nto le. The enye into coach into kumele emshayo mina yonke is a lucky guy that guy man. I know imshayela izandla ukuthi qualify. It's something big is done.
Yeah, for South Africa.
Kumele simcompliment.
Sure.
Hayi mara we don't get carried away thina abanye. Kunento esizibhekayo. Reading the game emshanga nangale game le Korea bengamelanga umkhiphe nje lo mfana lo yena lesiwinile. Yabo. Hold on in the 1-0 and then you keep at the boy that is so
Scored, yeah.
Scored 9 umfana lo really he played
Played a major role.
The best part he played.
Yes. Yeah.
Usibambele ibhola. You need an offensive player, a player that ozonika labantu umcabango. Like bashintshe how they approach game yabo.
Sure.
Because that boy bekasibambela wona. Decision making so bekamenza bengeke phela alithola ibhola uma if this boy was not there. Bekumele pass ku Tibbs are there coming there from deep or ama defender. But bekamdlalisa because umbonile ukwazi ukufunda igame utho lo uyithreat kulabantu thing pass enfield. So I think honestly speaking, coach mshayile nje even uku-approach le game, ukushaya approach game cala uyaya. Mina for me ngiyazi Michael uthi ngoba it's a game of opinion. Angithi wrong, but mina bengaqala ngo-JD Adams and Tebogo Mokoena.
Okay.
Based on they used to high profile games about Champions League final. They did very well, very composed uJD. Coach bekamtrust uJD kuma qualify ukuza so kuma qualifying against play JD Adams and Tebogo Mokoena. And then I don't mind eliminating uJD or Reno uTebza if Tebza doesn't give. But Nyazu Tebza is a very important player for us because it depends which because of perform kanjani yena uJD. And then you can put Mbata. Leave this boy for game. The boy was on song yesterday. That's for me. So I think we got it wrong there. Iqale lapho kuba problem and then reading the game yamkhipha futhi. Udlala ngathi leyo uyinto ayiyo. 3 defensive midfielders, central midfielders, and still uyaya at what the game. A police as well njengoba ngisho.
Yeah.
I think a police
For too long, yeah.
Ukhipha uMaseko, ngiyazi selfish Maseko, but it threat. So and ayinhlali bekumele ukuthi atshintsha if ucoach smart change side imtshela swipe side mfana khona into benginika yona and Hlanhla man yiyo ngithi mina ezela kickoffs man liyana but well done to the coach naye samshe kumele simnike that compliment mara mina ziningi into engimbona sifeyile ngazo and leya game nje uthi eliminate urile nayo Maseko isilimaze kakhulu mfethu there's obvious there's quality difference between them and us equivalent
Yeah. Michael, if a coach does not believe in you, the results are likely to be seen, and that is what was displayed in a coach not believing in what the boys are capable of. Could you say that that was the reason why we are out of the round of 32?
Hlanhla masingabheka le game le yeCanada Hlanhla ne mina lo into engisurprise kakhulu Hlanhla kuleyo game. Okay, we didn't have like much threat ukuthi Canada we sikhonile uku maintain Canada,
Yeah, for the
like,
longest time.
yeah, I understand, but then the coach we half time we keep a number 10. We are bringing another defensive sort of a defensive midfielder for me because una 3 midfielders manje, and if you can check manje like Bafana or ngasho ukuthi ora mhlambi ibola la manje Nhlanhla monga check manje the goalkeepers and the centre back but in ibola ukudlula like ecaleni besazi ukuthi ama playmakers yabona ezi number 10 ezikuphi midfielders, those are the people ekumele badlale kakhulu ngebhola, but monga check manje if you check Bafana ama centre back wethu Umbokazi ikone uRonwen bathashi ibhola ukudlula like the more like midfielders. That's why ubheke nanoma amazidlala we couldn't break like ama lines because if you can check World Cup Nhlanhla ayifani nalamanye ama cup because in the middle kuzoba nzima like ukubreak talent ama window iwindow balivala lapha fast Nhlanhla. So that's why ngisho ngithi like if uzoba ne midfield efana noSithole is very slow and then like akekho intelligent in terms of what playing ama forward passes because kulesa standard Nhlanhla is international standard. You need more forward passes because if you delay bavala leya window angeke ukhona Nhlanhla. That's why ubheke besiforced ukuthi masidlala we more likely ukuthi sidlale ngama wingers because we can't get more kuphi central because if you have number 10 efana noRayleigh umuntu ongathola amabhola uzoba frustrated, uzomthola sekeza kuphi ezazo drop afuna ukudlala ngani. So if you have isystem enjalo you must have ama midfielders ahlakaniphile which is azowazi ukuthi we must play through the windows. Anytime sithola i-chance, i-window is the first thing ekumele siyenze. Forward pass yinto important le nhlanhla. But if unga-check-a ngegame ayizolo thina like esidlala ama-back passes kakhulu nhlanhla. We are playing too much back passes. Even ngaphandle kwe-threat, and then kulawo ma-back pass nhlanhla, in order ukuthi mhlawumbe ufake more offensive ukuthi okay sibathrowe in order ukuthi sobathola phambili, we still sakhipha umuntu ophambili safaka license nhlanhla. Umuntu osazoza naye usazodlala license asozoza ku-run wena asazoreceiver naye khona. So azange sinike imatch ukuthi sibe ne-threat kakhulu nhlanhla ukuthi singahead iCanada, because even unga-check-a na first half sikwazile ukudominate, but azange sibe nama-chances ama-clear cut chances nhlanhla. We couldn't even create ama-chances, you understand?
But isn't that like a real problem that we have in South Africa, where I'm a striker, Magmele Akore, and supposed to be showing up and doing their job, they're not.
Actually, problem akusama striker player. There's a lot that you need to learn.
Okay.
Signing because Nhlanhla, we need to face the reality. As Michael is saying now, you can have a quality striker, but if I figure. Ngikhalile ngayina ku-Diski TV yesterday. Too much back passes.
Yeah.
Standards PSL nese World Cup asifane. Get their countries, those countries they selected the best players.
Yeah.
Akuna favorite. Okay, we don't know the politics of other countries. But when I check the World Cup, it's rare they put a player whereby one with the favors. Yabo mhlawumbe ngaba equality of the league where they play and stuff. Abana ama option and stuff. But truly speaking, Tlantifa ngaba nje never kuwe. Thina kithi. We played so much back passes yesterday. Build up pretty slow. Compared to those guys, we need 10 touches ukuthi sibe yafina labantu. Labantu bashaya 3 touches sebatholakala eboxini lethu. Labantu laba kwazi ukusibreaka yini in midfield. Thina we can't break him because of the standard equality. The standard. Iyo question ibethe premiership. Compliment to mina iyo ngithi siyabonga iPirates mfithen Sundowns. I was telling Shane with this kitchen. At least when we play premiership, no. Mina ngibonga iPirates and Sundowns. We playing ngalawo ma player manje as we speak. Go World Cup, and those players are helping us. Ibethe premiership Nhlanhla kule standards. Mangikhuluma ngebethe premiership. When you check players abanjengabo Police Keminazol, where we need it more.
The most.
We're evident when we need it more. So Nhlanhla ukuphendula when you talk about strikers quality, I can't kuma strikers. You need so many mbogazes at the back. You need so many quality abanye bomdawo SSID indaba on the right hand side. You need so many players SSID indaba on the left wing back, and you need defensive midfielders as a complement to Tebza, not only relying on Tebza. I mean Tebza if beyangekho uthola mhlamba ulimele kule cup besenging. You understand? You need more quality as a complement to Tebza in the midfield. Abazo breaker la lines akhuluma ngawo Michael Central abazothi mangabe option ayikho athathe responsibility and go. I always mina nginenthi reference ngabo Siphumbule talent enjengalela mfethu awutholi yabona ukuthi abosipho nabo wela ngeke ngiblame ngoba nama I did the same mistakes umfana yabo where abantu balethe down, but the talent that boys has you need ama player ngasabi ama player anamanyera players who so special athi no la mina I take responsibility rather besingana ama player ama risk kule game ezolo Nhlanhla. Wonke umuntu ufuna ukudlala safe, apolice beka safe, too safe, udlala safe. Thapelo Maseko, you can tell is good to Thapelo, but now bonile kune level. Sometimes it becomes selfish. Too predictable as well. So the point la maxi striker pay. There's a lot of things that we need to learn. And Nhlanhla lento le ngihlale sikhulume nge-development bayidelela. Mina it sound boring, like I don't care anyway. Development. When you check the high level of those guys, I'm sure their team, they've been preparing all these games on their team. And I'm sure majority 6, 7, 8, their team, there's under 23 team now, national team, or under 20, Basuanje now. And I'm sure when you go to the league, too many development players about dominate their league. In Europe, as I show, ama-curtain pacer angeke udlale ngale intensity yalaba bantu laba, technically very good master. The way they're pressing you from the first whistle, they are fit as well. I mean the way they break, the way they press you, I mean, it's something else. You need to be fit, you need to be prepared psychologically, you need to have a strong character. It's not all about talent. And in Tlantla, it's lezi zinto lezi just I hope ngiphendulile. Into ekumele sizilungise South Africa iqala ku-club level, kumele silungise indaba ye-development properly. We need to identify people abazokwazi ukunatshara ngihlale ngiyiphinda le talente so that singalimazi abantu i-country yonke kuba ne-hope because soba ne-hope thina sikhulume nje we're not gonna make and then umuntu akuzone kanti mara anyway it's not all about ukuzona whatever, it's a game of opinion. Mina inhlanhla uyabona le level it's a very akusipapa and face so mara bafana yes from la mina ngithi lezi group of players they need to keep some and like majority, especially labi age abo Tibza Relebogile Mfokeng Bogazi, can they keep that talent and bakhupheke nabo ngoba iPetwe Premiership nabo nje ubukhuluma nge-striker we're evident to get in Petwe Premiership is goals and yet this game nowhere to be seen. He can't make a space for himself, he can't receive, he can't come in touch. I mean when he just run uphume eboxini so yabona the level ukuthi yes yamrate eBetway Premiership and then bafaka the striker lesidlala ku-Premiership the guy uFoster le quality as well naye masombheka kahle kuleya level and then labona khona ukuthi ziningi into ekumele sizilungise.
So would it be helpful if maybe not just for the World Cup, sesidlulile ku World Cup, but now going forward to build, have like more international competitions or more friendlies, our international, that can help the boys, like, you know, build up that psychological aspect that they need ukuthi baqhubeke and have that urge to want to compete on a global stage, and not just compete but go further than the round of 32, because now they yeah.
I mean, in Spain when they won in 2010,
Yeah.
those players they competed with Euro. Majority of them.
Yeah.
In Iniesta, Sergio Busquets, Xavi, Jordi Alba, Sergio Ramos. That
Yes.
team. And then they, if not mistaken, they lost. If Euro 2-6, I can't remember.
Yes.
But that squad core
went on to win the World Cup.
You understand? Tlantla, continuity. Yabo. And also the coach, when you coordinate umuntu ngakufana ne-teacher nawe esikolweni, you teaching kids, you don't believe, ngenza nje example abantwana babhala lapha, you teach kids, one of the child there, you don't even believe in him, or you've got 7 kids abane potential but babona ubelieve kibo, and then kuzoba ne-problem. And naleso sikolo yisekumele explain you, I'm talking about the principal, whoever, but identifying that teacher ungabelieve abantwana. Isafa Michael mentioned something very important. People need to vote now. Iqale ngama coaches and stuff. Yabona Isafa is feeling us a lot. And njoba shilo last week iqala iphucweni Tlantla, yabo. And abantwana abantu can't falter them without ukuthi kunabantwana abantu talented, but ngisho ama coaches, not only players. Those talent, we don't invest much on those coaches. And Tlantla mawungabheka, if football become a business, even club level, football is a business now. You play because you've got money. When you go and check amanye ama-academies ubheka iy'moto ezibhaka lapho eziletha abantwana ingosi yakho izodlala ethimini uma utayibheka ubaba yilethe nge-Porsche, uyilethe nge-Bentley, leyo nto le it will go forward isihethe. So Nhlanhla, we need to go back to the drawing board. Leya course iphethe, can we restructure ayiqale kuma-club level, a national team code that is going to bring, mina ngisasho Pitso and Roland can please bring players abo Tebza babuya da abo bantu ba Jaden Adams abo, he understand those players, can bring that guy to Pitso. He has achieved, we saw he took out the best, we change the dimension of football in ngikhuluma nge-Sundown, so bring Pitso. Mhlawumbe uRulani Mbizo umbekele angeke bayizwa amanye ama-country those people, you see bakwazi ukunatshara the talent of us, bese kulungise uPitso identify under 23 coach iphilosophy fun, under 20 coach philosophy fun, under 17 under 15 same philosophy. Sicela lama participate lama junior international. Njoba ngishilo ugcineni nibona under 20 under 23 participate except because of under 20. So Nhlanhla, and then hayi kabi le ngizoyibeka open and straightforward. Nhlanhla le I problem e serious kakhulu yabo. We as a country, media people, they are very influential yabo in South Africa. We sometimes hype yabo, and lento liyalimaza kakhulu. We need to face the reality, yabo, because we might think na if sengikhuluma nge-country as a whole, yona president, sometimes listening to the media, they might think we are on the right track. Mangambeka we are preparing a Hugo Bros. As usual, we never go and face abo South Korea, but preparing abo Brazil before going there. And it's really South Korea. But they went to Brazil, let's check. Do we have what it takes? Now we need to face that route.
Yeah. Michael, your parting shot on the matter, because now Sekpelile, we're coming back home. We have to restructure. We have to find a way to rebuild. We have to see who can participate in the next World Cup, because we've got Lionel Messi played in 2010. He's playing in 2026. We've got Ronaldo that played in 2010 and he's playing in 2026. So at what point are we also going to have that kind of continuity? Ukuthi nathi sibe nama player that have played in multiple World Cups and possibly have won one of the multiple World Cups that they played.
Yabona Nhlanhla nenye into mina ngingayisho manje ne for continuity, like manje the next coach, we must not bring the coach that is sothi manje singazitsheli ngokuwina, yabo. Let's give sizolethe icoach umuntu osizomnika iproject ozowakha Nhlanhla. Sizitshele ukuthi okay, kulesikhathi lesi maybe in the next 5 years, because the only South Africa inankinga ngalento leyo Nhlanhla about coaches. Even if you want to check na ku PSL, like ama coaches, they are not signing them for ukuthi bazo lead the project. There's no project. They are just signing you ukuthi Nhlanhla woza uzowina. Uthola club iphuke ngalendlela ukuthi iphukile. Mawufika lapha abakuniki budget, abakuniki anything. Bafuna ukuthi wena ulethe ama results. It's highly impossible sometimes Nhlanhla, understand. So ukubuilder into important, like sometimes let umuntu umtshele ukuthi okay, ndoda mina njengoba ngikulethela la, angikulethelanga ukuthi ngifuna ukuzokucosha in 2 years time. Angikulethelanga ukuthi ngizokucosha kulesikhathi esingaka, understand. Mina ngifuna ukuthi uzobuilder i-future njengoba usho ukuthi like uzobuild i-project, i-continuity Nhlanhla. Sifuna like i-continuity ukuthi kube, but njengamanje kuzohamba Hugo Bros, the next coach, do you think is going to continue with the same players?
Look, unless if that's the philosophy that Safa then decides to have, because we've had Hugo Bros for 5 years, would it be fair to give the next coach a mandate as well, 5 years, to say no, sifuna ukubuyela ku AFCON? Well, we're going back, but we want to go back to the next one, and we want to qualify for the World Cup. But now maybe what you said last week, Uguti, the vision must now be different, because basi aima Uguti masingaphuma ku group stage, and that's exactly what happened. So now, mhlambe, if like we can aim higher and better, with the consistency there of the new coach, or however way they decide to structure their coaching force going forward. But okay, sharp. This was the goal going into 2026 World Cup. Now going into the 2030 World Cup, this is how we'd like to approach it. And this is the philosophy. These are the people that we're going to be doing. We are restructuring, and then we are getting under 17, 20, 23. And then they will feed into the squad. Maybe if we go back to the basics of, feeding from the smaller structures within the national team, then we'll be able to stand a chance of maybe not just going into the, because manje it says Pumila go round of 32, singathi a round of 60, like talk further than that and see how far we'll go.
Manje yazi mina Nhlanhla worry yami engayo manje yini. Okay, after the World Cup asithi Hugo Bros uzoyela ne.
Yeah.
Bring in the
Yes,
next coach.
for sure.
The problem about Nhlanhla about ipola lifana Nhlanhla. Uyabona Hugo Bros ufikile wa qualify kangaki. Back to back AFCON,
Yeah.
qualify the World Cup.
World Cup, sure.
You can find a good coach. I fail to qualify for, let's say, for the AFCON. Are we gonna find him?
No, but remember again what you said, Michael. I think now it's a discussion that needs to be out there, right? To say, okay, the public of South Africa, kana Ramaphosa o reng, makasipulisa, fellow South Africans,
Yeah.
right? So this is the plan that we have for our team. Silana, this is where we want to go. So that Nati, when we lose, because like what Junior is saying is that it's not just the media, it's us as the fans that actually have that influence to say, no, why don't you do this? Why don't you do that? But if we are told, Uguti, no, guys, this is the plan. that we have for the next 10 years, not even 5 years. So can you bear with us and allow us to build according to the vision that we have for our country? Would you not think, Uti, as ordinary South Africans, as fans of the football, will be patient enough?
Yeah,
So understand because manje siyavumelana ukuthi siyakha.
Yeah, phela Nhlanhla ekugcineni noma ungangitshela ukuthi I'm a fan, let's say I'm supporting i-Kaizer Chiefs. Ungitshela ukuthi okay i-Kaizer Chiefs njengamanje okay uyabona be-struggle ukuthi win ama-trophy for example ne.
Yeah.
Uzothi kimi wena ufuna ukutshela ama-support e-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi wena alinde ukuthi azobuilda for 5 years. Like mase sikhuluma nge-reality. Njengamanje bafana manje. Do you think ama-supporters wala e-South Africa manje angayimela ukuthi ibafana ingaqualify for i-AFCON?
No, it's not going to be the case. But what I'm saying is, but like, if we're studying what other countries are doing, it's a different case altogether, Michael. It is stated, it is known that this is the plan, this is what we're doing, and this is where we want to go, right? So, Tina, if anisjelanga, nitinje no simqashele ukuthi to qualify for AFCON, to qualify for the World Cup. Obviously, if the results are going a different direction, you're going to get a coach. And imagine you'll get another coach. It was frustrator more and more. And that's not what we want.
Njengoba ngisho wona Nhlanhla ibhola lifana ngaloko Nhlanhla njengoba ngitshela manje kulula ukuthi manje ungahire coach uthi coach sifuna ukuthi uzobuilda ungawatshela manje ama supporters but njengoba ngitshela manje sibuya ku back to back AFCON Nhlanhla you bring in a coach mina manje ngifuna ukubuza one simple question Nhlanhla njengoba kuso manje ne phela manje ezibafana okay njengamanje besikholela ukuthi we must go to the next stage is history. But mina for mina ngijabulele ukuthi history so Nhlanhla from qualify manje because if we can check na i-level World Cup manje like i-World Cup na izoba kule stage in the boring stage manje because ngalento yabo the best number 3 it makes the World Cup boring manje Nhlanhla because umuntu usekabhekile ukuthi manje mangu number 3 ngizodlala nobani ngizodlala nobani okay hayi ngingadraw kule game ngizoyenzana understand if bafuna ukuza ngale format before they do that into kumele bayenze Nhlanhla first ukuthi okay for the next last 32 angeke sinike ukuthi ubani odlala nobani whoever must play mela fight ukuthi qualify because monga check ama results Nhlanhla ngale best number 3 umuntu sekayazi ukuthi hey ngiyobhekana neSpain I cannot ukuthi mangawina le game ngizobhekana neSpain no i-draw izonyenza ngiyodlala nobani yebo like ayisayenza ibhola nalo libe mnandi Nhlanhla njengoba ngisho ngithi South Africa siqualifyile but if you can check sikula 32 i-32 it's a World Cup esidlala we have 32 teams fana nokuthi beseseko group stage that's why sometimes ezinye izinto angizijabuleli Nhlanhla because monga check iSouth Africa ni infrastructures nayo Nhlanhla asekeleni corruption Nhlanhla South Africa ungayibona ukuthi you it's Nhlanhla sise Europe Nhlanhla how many Europeans eswalethile la bazodlala labo Pirates bazodlalelana we can bring more players Nhlanhla is chanje Africa ihlele ngecorruption Nhlanhla our leaders akungane corruption eningi but if singabuyisa nje lento ukusekela i-corruption Nhlanhla and develop i-Africa kahle I'm telling you Nhlanhla no one is going to go to Europe Nhlanhla and Africa is going to dominate but because manje mongathi uyacheka i-reality ama player nawo lawo sithi okay hayi mina sithatha ama players wayise Europe okay it's fine uzolithatha iplayer ngekho proper developed lambe lodlala e-Europe but still uzofika e-Europe because asicheck manje Nigeria Nigeria wina ama player ngakanani adlala e-Europe did they qualify for the World Cup
No.
It's not ukuthi wena udlala lapha Nhlanhla it's all about ukuthi wena ubuildani what you build wena within wena ngokwakho ukuthi ufunani because if you can check in Nigeria ama development in Nigeria kunama development all the players mabacala mabati 16 17 baphuma e-country but 17 so late for the development Nhlanhla kahle kahle mase sikhuluma iqiniso and uyazi nase Africa nalento cheating uzongithola bathi ngina 15 sengina 13 uyabona age yami impela I'm 15 but i-development sengidlulile ngiyabuyela ngiyocala ku-13 ukuthi leso sikhathi leso ngabe ngisiyenze before ngize ngifike kulento cheating
Yeah, it becomes hard.
Yeah, there's a lot.
It becomes hard, and but I think we just need to really behind the next move that's going to happen. Be supportive of the boys. But before we close, let me ask. Give me three players that you feel good. You know what? Even if the results went a different direction, but these were the individuals that really, gave me hope at some point. The players that really stood out for you in this tournament. Aboban.
Ngubafana
Bafana, yeah.
mina Nhlanhla ngizokutshela iqiniso angeke ngiyele nale Nhlanhla nginayo 3 players mina into engakutshela mina iplayer enginalo mina for the whole tournament is ongilombokazi uyabona mabathi ubaba overprotective bakhuluma ngombokazi ubaba so uprotector kwasani lapha emuva Nhlanhla shoot everybody like yabona like masingaba nama player like yabona i-country kumele sihlale every year sibe like diamonds like umbokazi mhlambe nini skip left back efana nombokazi right back like into esifunayo as a country Nhlanhla understand into esifuna ukuyibona leyo Nhlanhla.
So we're the most outstanding player for you South Africa kule tournament.
Kube bengikhona namanje nje bengizomthatha ngiyomsayinisa lapha ku Real Madrid ngibonile amashot ngama defense and ngapha kadura Nhlanhla mama mara ngiyatshela
No, he can play.
ngalo mfana Nhlanhla ne yabona iSouth Africa lapha siphethe ijam Nhlanhla sebangamane basho I don't think nokuthi uChicago uzohlala isikhathi eside Nhlanhla lemfana lo bese ngasho ukuthi it's a wrong move in party awuziprovile Nhlanhla uziprovile ngale age akiyo ubaba umuzi lapho uyobagadile ngathi like udlala nabantu abane experience lapha but abubani but leyo abakhava ngakhona hayi standing
special player yabo and it tells you ukuthi lento database ayisebenze proper assessment ngihlala ngicompliment mina lento assessment scouting if you do proper scouting abantu abanjengabombokazi yabathola Michael mention into ngithashile ngifuna nje ukubuyela kancane kuyo these directors sikhuluma ngama chairman premiership mele ba understand lento bathi they need to understand the game properly yabo ngcono uJomo Sono uphinde azicoach as a director noma i-team idliwe uyothatha responsibility yabona abantu abanjengabo Jomo ugcina ubahlonipha ungabi coward ube behind the scene and then you put the coach or sign players before appointing the coach and then mawuqeda ulethi coach uyitshela ukuthi bheka ndoda wena ngilinga ama game ay5 you need to win wonke and then usana ama defenders ay22 and then na 23 players only with one attacker maruti ufuna ukwina ama game ay5 so Nhlanhla Michael and dimension is important ama directors made understand ama dynamics of football if you don't have a knowledge for football you've got money identify a person who's knowledgeable who's so experienced akurunele team like uDr Ivan Khosi uyenzile ngoskrima shabalala and then siyabona kunabo umgqolisi kune continuity yabo Nhlex even Petrus Motsepe Dr Petrus Motsepe uye wa identify uPitso he restructure everything now kune continuity saqhubeka Nhlanhla i-country yethu from la yes ngizoba never nami ngifana no Michael man Nhlanhla thina siphethe in terms of resources everything you understand I think our league is so stable man and as ubona these players from South America in Europe bona bo Ribeiro Eva Allende they come there and badlala kule league it tells you ukuthi i-league yes we can afford yabona to take care of those players and not to say that ukuthi we don't have people abangayenza le standard of football sibe on that level but ilento ekhulunywa Michael you find a coach njengamanje bazoma identify njengoPitso mabamletha uPitso since well spear World Cup now ichekana ngeskin you understand iqala na isafa you understand this thing as usual people that are in South Africa ama fans ane power true you are right very influential nabo Pitso will lose 3 games trying to see different faces bringing in new players younger players so run out of patience kuye we lose 1 game mhlawumbe uPitso lande ngenza nje first game I think ngicela Argentina he lose 3-0 with different mhlawumbe ilande ngaso le squad adliwe 3-0 now will be us as a country saying Pitso must move yabo right Nhlanhla no no Michael now we need to give it football njengoba show amanye ama coaches that are so smart akusi event football you plan mayise kufuneka iprocess ushilo Nhlanhla last week mawusibuza wathi chance now we're going to a game crucial sekumele calculate you can't Nhlanhla always wait for abanye lenzo siyenzile since 2010 not 2010 2008 dala so now into kumele yenzeke Nhlanhla asinikeni yena uPitso noma simbiza the same whatever approval esiyenze ngale coach lo yuko process sibe sisigeke and see what is doing identify abantu azospana nabo And also ISAF, mina ngisasho na kuSAFA, I think Dr. Danny Jordan has done well. I mean, the guy, Grootman, did very well, mara iskati na is to step down, unfortunately. I mean, he's beyond everything na. Maskuluma nje var, everything. Iqala ngaye, I mean, ikhanda, le endlu ikhanda. Ngine respect, he has done well. I've got big respect to whoever he is, but ikhanda nhlanhla malimele, yabona makubuhlungu ikhanda nobhonsi. Function in the kahle. So ngizama ukuthi ibody yakhe inhloko mayibuhlungu ayifunction. So naye somehow we need to. I think mangamuva nje Grootman, we as a country vote for a person that we think that he can lead us. And njoba sisho, be patient of this coach. If he said 5 years, noma ngabe kwenzakalani in this, we stick with that 5 years. And then the project, I can tell you, lead by Pitso and Rulani. And I can tell you, even in Betway Premiership, I'm sure Pitso will speak to coaches at Betway Premiership, because coach with Betway Premiership, but with a cool man, I'm a coach at Betway Premiership to have a relationship with them. Yeah, that's me, Inhlanhla.
All right. We ran over and we spoke about it. So I guess the next step now is to have a look at what happens to Bafana Bafana and the signings of different players within the PSL, the Betway Premiership. Abanye, they've gone back to training last week, Monday. Most teams went back to work last week, Monday. And there's different signings that are taking place. So we'll actually have a look at what is going on as far as the Betway Premiership is concerned, the return of Bafana Bafana, and what is it that we can expect going forward as far as football is concerned for South Africa. And that is how we end the episode. This episode was brought to you by World Sports Betting. #WSB, #Bet with the best. Thank you, Siabong.